Picture a quiet garden, plants growing at their usual pace, until a cup of strange greyish liquid is poured at their roots. At first, nothing changes, but by morning, the transformation is dramatic. The tomato vine, once sparse, now bursts with ripe, red fruit. Zucchini leaves double in size, shading the ground with new, glossy fruits. Growth is no longer slow and steady. It's explosive, almost unnatural. The garden pulses with energy, plants thriving as if awakened from a long slumber. The secret? Fermented wood ash, a simple substance profoundly altered. Born from fire and time, it unlocks the soil's hidden potential. Plants grow not just bigger, but stronger and more resilient. This isn't magic, but a deep, natural science at work. The garden becomes a stage for nature's raw power, unleashed. All from a single potent dose of fermented ash. Fresh wood ash is potent but dangerous. Its high alkalinity can harm plants and lock away nutrients. But fermentation changes everything. By mixing ash with water, molasses and beneficial microbes, a transformation begins. Microbes produce organic acids, neutralizing the ash's harshness and lowering its pH. Minerals like potassium and calcium are unlocked, becoming water-soluble and easy for plants to absorb. The difference is night and day. Fresh ash is a locked door. Fermented ash, an open treasure chest. Fermentation bridges fire's raw power with the plant's needs. The result is a safe, powerful stimulant for explosive plant growth. It's a perfect example of nature's potential, guided by knowledge. Fermented ash turns a risky substance into a gardener's secret weapon. Soil is alive, a bustling world of microbes working in harmony. Fermented ash feeds both plants and this underground community. It delivers chelated minerals, potassium for fruit, calcium for strength, phosphorus for roots, directly to plant roots. Plants respond instantly, fueling rapid visible growth. The liquid also introduces new beneficial microbes, boosting soil health. These microbes improve soil structure, water retention, and nutrient cycling. Unlike synthetic fertilizers, fermented ash supports long-term soil vitality. It's a holistic approach, fast-acting minerals, and a thriving microbial workforce. The result? Healthier plants, richer soil, and a more resilient garden. Fermented ash honors the living complexity beneath our feet. The recipe for fermented ash is simple yet powerful. Combine 1 part cooled, sifted hardwood ash with 10 parts dechlorinated water. Add a tablespoon of unsulfured molasses per gallon as a sugar source. Introduce a microbial starter, EM1, whey or compost tea. Stir, cover loosely, and let ferment in a cool, dark place for 2 to 4 weeks. The mixture will develop a sweet, vinegary smell and a safe pH. Dilute 1 part fermented ash liquid with 20 parts water before use. Water the base of established plants. Avoid leaves and seedlings. 1 application is often enough to trigger dramatic growth. Use sparingly, its power is best respected. This ancient wisdom unlocks nature's most potent growth stimulant. A simple process, a remarkable result. With great power comes responsibility. Fermented ash must be used in moderation. Apply once or twice per season. Too much can harm soil life. Avoid using on acid-loving plants or young seedlings. Wait until plants are established and growing strongly. Used wisely, fermented ash builds resilient, self-sustaining soil. Healthier plants need less water and resist pests naturally. You're not just growing plants, You're cultivating living soil for the future. Fermented ash is more than a fertilizer. It's a lesson in nature's hidden potential. Share this knowledge with care and use it to create vibrant, sustainable gardens. Let's grow not just bigger harvests, but healthier ecosystems for all.